Children, in our previous class we have completed lesson 6 from the activity book. Today, let us get into our grammar book, chapter 6, adjectives. In the textbook, already we learnt about adjective, and let us learn more about today. And today our topic is adjectives. Read this sentence. See here, a wise and beloved king ruled over the kingdom. Here the words wise and beloved tell us more about the noun king. Here the word king is noun, right? It is describing about king, here wise and beloved. It is describing more about the king. And words that tell us more about nouns and pronouns are called adjectives. Adjectives are also called describing words, numbers, and the names of colors are also adjective. And here, for example, see, Dilip is a kind boy. Which type of boy? Kind boy. Here the word kind is adjective. And here three people are jogging in the park. Here the number also adjective. And the lastly, see, I like the green shirt. Here which kind of shirt? The color is green. So here it is describing more about the boy and it is telling the number. Here green is describing the color. Now let us get into the exercise. Children, see here. We should tick the correct adjectives in the brackets, circle the nouns that they describe. Here, first of all, we should select the adjective, then we will go for noun. Okay? See here, two lions were sleeping under the tree, or cold lions were sleeping under the tree. Which is the correct answer here? Of course, two lions. And it is describing noun. What is the noun here? Of course, lions. So let us circle the lions. Let us get into the next one. The garden is filled with delicious flowers or colorful flowers. Here the word delicious used for describing the tasty food. But here flowers will be in the colorful. Okay. So we have to take colorful and this word is describing the noun flowers. So we have to circle the word flowers. And the next one, Ratan is excited because he won the writing competition, or Ratan is stubborn because he won the writing competition. Here which word is suitable? Of course, who won the writing competition, they will be excited, right? So we have to take the word excited. And it is describing about what, children? Can you say? It is describing about Ratan. So we have to circle the word Ratan. And the next one is, the baby was tired, so she went to sleep, or the baby was playful, so she went to sleep. Which word is suitable here? If you get tired, you will go to sleep, right? So we have to select the word tired, and it is describing about whom? About the baby. So we have to circle the word baby. And the next one is, do you like my brave shoes or new shoes? Here, of course, new shoes. So we have to select the word new shoes, and it is describing about which noun? Here, shoes. So let us circle the word shoes. And the next one is, it was a dash day, so I switched on the fan. Warm day or chilly day? Tell me, children. Of course, it is warm day. So only I switched on the fan. So we have to take the word warm, and it is describing about the day. So we have to circle the word day. And the next one is, this giant banyan tree was planted 100 years ago, or this three banyan tree was planted 100 years ago. Here only one tree. So here that is also giant tree. So we have to take the word giant here, and it is describing about which noun? Here the word, which word we have to select? Of course, about tree. So we have to circle the word tree. Now let us get into the next one. Watch out, the floor is dry or slippery. If it is dry, there is no need to take care. So it is slippery only. So let us tick the word slippery, but it is describing about the floor. So we have to circle it. And have you seen my red sweater or 7 sweater? There will be 7 sweater. If it is 7, here will be the word sweaters. So we have to choose the color red, and it is describing about the noun sweater. And the next one is, some fish can survive only in deep waters or breezy waters. Tell me children. Of course, it will survive from only deep water. So we have to select the word deep, and it is describing about what? Waters. So we have to circle it. And now let us get into the next exercise. Circle an adjective in each sentence. Write a similar adjective for each word you have circled. Choose from the box. Here, a huge whale was spotted near the beach today. Here, they have circled huge because it is describing more about this noun. What is the noun here? Whale. And it is how, which type of whale it is? Huge. So, they have circled here huge. Here, they have given one help box, right? What are they? Astonished, truthful, shiny, 12, attractive, enormous. Here, the similar word is enormous. So, they have given here the word enormous. And the next one is, the deer had a glossy coat. Here, which is the adjective? Glossy. So, we have to circle the word glossy. Instead of glossy, which word we can use here? Shiny. So, let us write here the word shiny. And the next one is, Chhattisgarh has beautiful monuments. Here, which is the adjective? Of course, beautiful. So, let us circle it, and here it is describing more about the monuments, right? Okay, and here the similar word we have to find out from the help box. What is that word? Beautiful. In the place of beautiful, which word can use here? Of course, attractive. So let us write here attractive. 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 Let us check the next one. Anjali was surprised when she heard the news. Here, which word is adjective? Surprised. So let us circle the word surprised. Instead of surprised, which word we can use here? Can you tell me children? Of course, astonished. So let us write the word astonished. Okay, let us get into the next one. Amma is the most honest person I know. Here, the adjective is honest. Instead of honest, which word we can use from the help box? Truthful. Let us write the word here. Truthful. And the next one is, there are a dozen mangoes in the box. Instead of the adjective, we have to use the similar word. And here, which is the adjective? Dozen. Because it is telling the number. Dozen means how many here? 12. So let us write here the word 12. Okay children. Now let us get into the next exercise. Children, in this exercise, see here, we should fill in the blanks with adjectives from the box. Then replace the adjective with some other adjectives and rewrite the sentences. Here they have given one example. See here. It is too hot to play outside. How they have changed here again? It is too chilly to play outside. In the same manner, let us get into the next one. The children are doing a dash jigsaw puzzle. Here, which word is suitable? Funny, biggest, delicious, untidy, tricky, loving, hot, fortunate. Of course, tricky. So let us write the word here, tricky. And we should rewrite the sentence by changing the adjective. The children are doing a simple jigsaw puzzle. So let us write the word. The children are doing, instead of tricky, what we have to add? Simple. Instead of tricky, we have used here simple. Remaining part is same. Jigsaw puzzle. In the same manner, let us get into the next one. Is the elephant the dash animal on the planet? Here, which word is suitable? Of course, biggest. So let us write the word biggest here, and we should change the adjective, right? So, is the elephant the fattest animal on the planet? So let us write the sentence here. Is the elephant the fattest animal on the planet? After completing the sentence, what we have to do? We should keep full stop. And the next one, Mukul told me a dash joke. Always joke will be funny. So let us write the word funny here. And we should rewrite the sentence by changing the adjective, right? So Mukul told me a hilarious joke. Let us write the sentence here. Mukul told me a hilarious joke. After completing the sentence, we have to keep full stop. Now let us get to the next one. The house was filled with the dash smell of bread being baked. Foodville smells like delicious. So we should fill the word delicious here. The house was filled with the delicious smell of bread being baked. In the same manner, we have to change the sentence. Children, now let us write the sentence by changing the adjective here. What we have to write? The house was filled with the wonderful smell of baking bread. And the next one is, these puppies need a loving home. Let us write the adjective loving, and here what we have to do? We have to change the sentence. So what we have to write here? These puppies need a kind home. Now let us get into the next one. I am dashed to have such a loving family. Here in the blank, which adjective we can use? Of course, fortunate. Now let us fill with the word fortunate. And now we have to change the sentence, right? I am lucky to have such a loving family. Let us write, I am lucky to have such a loving family. Now the next one is, your room is dash, that is why you can't find anything. Here which adjective we can use? Untidy. Let us write the word untidy and let us write this sentence. Your room is messy. That's why you can't find anything. Okay. Let us write here, your room is messy. That's why you can't find anything. So we have completed this exercise now, And here our next exercise is match the adjectives to their opposites. See here children, one side they have given the adjectives and here also these also adjectives only, but you have to find out the opposites of these words. Real, occupied, boring, fresh, brave, true, false, interesting, imaginary, vacant, stale, cowardly. And now you have to find out the opposites of these adjectives. This is your homework children. And the next one is underline one adjective for each picture. Then use the adjective that you choose to write sentence about the picture. In this picture, we can see the colorful kite. So, we have to use colorful. And you have to write the sentence about the picture. And here what you can see in the second picture, the boy is sleeping. So, which word is suitable here? Sleepy. Let us see the next one children. In this picture, this girl eating delicious ice cream. So, we have to select the word delicious and you have to rewrite the sentence by using the word delicious. Okay children, today we have completed few exercises from the grammar book, chapter 6, adjectives, and let us meet in the next class and discuss about kinds of adjectives and let us complete remaining exercises also. Okay children, let us meet in our next class. Thank you.